What about the Big Bang Theory? Could that be the way that God created? You know, a lot of Christians think that, but they apparently don't know much about the Big Bang Theory because it's actually not compatible with what the Bible teaches in Genesis. For example, the Bible teaches that God created in 6 days, in fact 6 Earth rotations, because each one had an evening and a morning. But the Big Bang teaches that creation happened over billions and billions of years. The Bible teaches that God created the earth 3 days before the stars. The earth's made on day 1, stars are made on day 4, but the Big Bang teaches that stars formed billions of years before the earth did, so the order of events is wrong. The Big Bang, which leads into other ideas about the age of the earth, teaches that, for example, fish evolved long before fruit trees, but the Bible says fruit trees are made on day 3, fish were made on day 5. The order of events doesn't match. Biblical creation is orderly, logical, full of God's grace. Big Bang is sort of an accidental, cosmic accident. It's not compatible with what the Bible teaches in Genesis. Not only that, but the Big Bang has a number of scientific problems with it as well. There's a problem of what would cause this singularity to sort of explode from nothing into nothing. There's a problem of why does the universe have the flatness that it does, so the so-called flatness problem. There's the monopole problem. Why is it that, because according to the Big Bang, the universe should have produced these what are called magnetic monopoles, sort of like a magnet, but with only a north pole or only a south pole. And these should be abundant, and yet we don't find even one in the universe. Apparently God chose not to create them. That's fine. But you see, the Big Bang expects them. There's the antimatter problem, the baryon number problem. You see, when energy is converted into matter, which we can do in a laboratory, we always get an equal amount of antimatter. Antimatter is the same as matter, but with the charges reversed. So the antiprotons are negatively charged, whereas protons are positively charged. Anytime energy turns into matter, you get an equal amount of antimatter. Now, the Big Bang says that the entire universe was once energy, and then it became matter, and so it should have produced an equal amount of antimatter. But in fact, antimatter in this universe is very scarce. That's a good thing, because when matter and antimatter touch, they annihilate each other and go back to energy. So you see, God made the universe almost entirely matter with only trace amounts of antimatter, and that's a design feature. No, the Bible is right when it tells us that the universe was supernaturally created by God.